Freddy the Frog had the most ridiculous case of hiccups ever. Every time he hiccuped something magical happened. One hiccup turned a sleepy snail into a glittery butterfly. Another made a tall tree float away like a balloon. Freddy's pond became a place of giggles and gasps as animals watched the silly transformations. But Freddy wasn't having fun. He just wanted the hiccups to stop. So he hopped off to find a cure. He tried eating honey, hanging upside down, and even singing to the moon. Nothing worked until his best friend, Daisy Duck, gave him a special beetleberry smoothie and told a joke so funny, Freddy laughed the hiccups away. From that day on, Freddy still hiccuped sometimes, but now, everyone hoped it would happen, because you never knew when a hiccup might bring a rainbow rain or dancing daisies. Morale: sometimes problems bring unexpected magic.